If you're considering Tenable for your business but aren't sure if it's the right choice, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into 7 things you need to know before buying Tenable, and why it might just be the best fit for you or why it might not. Stick around till the end because you'll learn what sets it apart from competitors and how you can get your hands on a free trial to test it out for yourself. First off, let's talk about Tenable's core offering, vulnerability management. Unlike other tools in the market, like Rapid7 or Qualys, Tenable specializes in identifying and managing vulnerabilities across your IT infrastructure, from your network to your cloud and even your IoT devices. The platform's unique ability to give you a comprehensive view of your entire digital ecosystem is one of the key selling points. It's designed to help you stay ahead of security threats before they turn into actual breaches. Next thing to know is how Tenable integrates with your existing security tools. It's not just about scanning for vulnerabilities and flagging risks. Tenable has robust integrations with a wide range of third-party solutions like SIEMs, ticketing systems, and other security platforms. This means you can automate workflows and make your vulnerability management process smoother, saving you time and effort compared to using isolated solutions. If you're running a large enterprise or already using tools like Splunk or ServiceNow, you'll appreciate how easily Tenable plugs into your ecosystem. The third thing to consider is Tenable's approach to cloud security. With more businesses moving to cloud infrastructures, this is critical. Tenable provides specialized solutions for cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, giving you visibility into your cloud assets security posture. This is something that sets Tenable apart from competitors that may only provide partial or generic cloud security, which could leave gaps in your coverage. If cloud security is a priority for your organization, Tenable offers a level of insight and management that's difficult to beat. The fourth thing you need to know is that Tenable isn't just for large enterprises. While it's highly scalable for bigger organizations, it's also user-friendly enough for smaller businesses to adopt. Its intuitive interface and clear reporting make it easy for security teams of all sizes to monitor and address vulnerabilities quickly. For those of you coming from simpler tools, like even basic vulnerability scanners, Tenable's interface may feel more advanced, but it's designed to scale with your growing needs. Now let's talk about pricing. Tenable does not offer a one-size-fits-all pricing structure, but rather several tiers depending on your needs. While this can be beneficial because it allows for tailored packages, it can also feel a bit overwhelming when compared to more transparent pricing models of competitors. It's important to understand exactly what you need and get a custom quote before fully committing to the platform. But remember, you can try it out for free first. More on that in a moment. Next, the software's reporting capabilities. If you're new to vulnerability management, the sheer amount of data can be daunting. But Tenable makes it easy with customizable reports that allow you to break down vulnerabilities by severity, asset, or department. This can help you focus your resources where they are most needed. Compared to other tools that may offer basic or pre-configured reports, Tenable gives you flexibility and depth in your analysis. And lastly, support. Tenable has a strong support system in place, with a combination of online resources, community forums, and direct customer support options. However, the level of support you get depends on your subscription plan. It's worth mentioning that if you're looking for 24/7 support, you'll likely need to opt for higher tier pricing, which may not be ideal for smaller businesses or startups on a budget. If you're still on the fence about whether Tenable is the right fit for your organization, don't forget to check out the free trial linked in the description. You'll get full access to the platform to see how it measures up to your specific needs, and you'll also get some exclusive benefits just for trying it out through the link below. To recap, Tenable offers a comprehensive vulnerability management solution with great integrations, strong cloud security, and customizable reporting. While the pricing might be a bit complex, the flexibility it offers is well worth the investment for companies looking to scale their security operations. If you want to try Tenable yourself, click the first link in the description below to access an exclusive free trial and see if it's the right fit for your business.